Hey, this is Mike for Licked, and in this video, I'll show you how to edit your video to the beat of the music. Alright, I'm going to edit this video to the beat of this music. As you can see, I start off with a nice beach scene with some rather funky looking waves crashing in, and then eventually I want to bring in some other footage of the beach and match it to the beat of my track, right about at this hook. Okay. So it's simple to get started. First of all, you'll go in here, you'll use the plus key to zoom right in on those beats. So we can see. About here, this is where the beat comes in. So you're looking for the beat of the song. And in order to see the song more clearly in Adobe Premiere Pro, you can actually go ahead and grab audio track 1 and open it up a little bit so you can really see what you're working with. So I think there is a perfect place to drop in our next clip of the beach, and I'm going to pop that in right about there. So hopefully this should look and sound on beat. Perfect. And again, this beat here, as you can see, it's clearly marked in the waveform. I'm going to zoom right in. This is where we'll want to drop our next clip in. Let's grab this beach clip here and we'll drop it right there where my marker is. Zoom out, and as you can see, it's easy to zoom in and out, look at the beats and match things up. And next cut. Perfect. And again, on this beat, we're going to zoom back in again, find that beat, which pretty much lines up around here, and drag in our final big panorama of the beach to finish off this short clip. So let's see how these syncs work with the music. And so on and so on. And you can go ahead, if you want, you can get creative and you can do funky things like cutting at each beat here. So let's cut here and cut here. Let's pull this clip in, cut here, and pull this clip in, cut here and here, so that we then get a kind of stuttery look to the beat. So you get that kind of stuttered look. You can also do something like going into this particular clip. You can go into the scale controls and zoom that in just a little bit, so you get that kind of funky zoom, and then you get. So really, really cool stuff. But now you should see that all of this footage is synced to the beat of the music using audio on track 1, a little bit of synchronization, and zooming in the Adobe Premiere Pro multi-track. You can have hours of endless fun editing different footage as long as you zoom in, look for the beats of the track, and match your video clips to match with the start of a beat. You really can't go wrong. And that is how you match videos to the beat of any music track like this one I used from Licked. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this one. If you'd like to license the track I used in this video or grab other commercial music, head over to Licked.